So in case your JBL speaker is not turning on, no matter what you do, here's what to do. First, you might have run out of battery. So you want to plug it into a power source and for maybe 20 to 30 minutes and then try again and see if it goes on. So that should be the main culprit as to why your speaker is not turning on. The other issue might be the charger. The charger might not be working or it's charging a little too slowly. Okay, so if you have a slow charger, then you might want to give it a bit more time. You can give it up to an hour and see what happens. And also, you might want to check your charger with a different device just to make sure it's working. So you can plug it into your phone or to any other device that uses Type C and see if that charges. So if that charges, then you should be able to charge your phone. If it's not charging, then you can replace the charger and use a different charger. Now, the other reason could be that you might be trying to charge your speaker with your phone. Now, for older speakers like the JBL Charge 6 and also with this Charge 7, actually, you can actually charge your phone or rather charge the speaker using your phone. But for this JBL Charge 6, it's actually the other way around. It's the speaker that charges your phone. So if you're trying to charge this speaker with your phone, that's not going to work as well. Okay. So those are the reasons why your Charge 6 is not turning on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.